Telling the date. Mastering ordinal numbers. Hello, English learners. Today we're going to be looking at an essential part of the English language, specifically when telling the date. Ordinal numbers are what we use to express dates in English, and they are incredibly important to know. Let's jump right in. Ordinal numbers are numbers that indicate order or sequence. In the context of dates, these numbers will help you determine the day. For example, we say January 1st, February 2nd, and March 3rd. The endings, street, nd, road, and th, signify the order of the days in the month. When you use ordinal numbers for dates, the day comes before the month. For instance, April 4th, May 5th, and June 6th. Remember that when writing the full date in English, the day comes first, then the month, and finally the year. For example, the 7th of July, 2023, the 8th of August, 2023, the 9th of September, 2023. Most ordinal numbers end with th. However, there are exceptions. First, second, and third end with saint, nd, and road, respectively. This pattern continues with 21st, 22nd, 23rd, and so on. Here are a few examples. The 1st of October, 2023. The 2nd of November, 2023. The 3rd of December, 2023. Let's put what you've learned into practice. Try saying the dates of important days in your life, like your birthday or holidays you celebrate. For instance, if your birthday is on October 12th, you would say, "My birthday is on the 12th of October." And that's a wrap on ordinal numbers for dates. We hope this video has been helpful and has made telling dates in English a breeze for you. Remember, the more you practice, the more natural it will feel. Keep learning and keep practicing, and you'll master English in no time. See you in our next lesson.